Hi, and thanks for your interest in our Nissan Micra. My name is Jamie, and I'm Product Manager with Nissan Ireland. Today, I'm going to take you on a test drive of this fantastic model and point out the various features and benefits that it has to offer. Before we get started, I just want to give you some information about the engine that we're going to be driving. Nissan Micra comes in a 1-litre 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine with 100 brake horsepower. It's available in 2 transmissions. You have a 5-speed manual transmission and a CVT or automatic. Emissions are 103 grams of CO2 on the manual and 108 grams of CO2 on the automatic, and that translates into a road tax of €190 on both. In terms of fuel consumption, it's 4.5 litres per 100 kilometres on the manual and 4.7 litres per 100 kilometre on the CVT. The model we're going to test drive today is the SV Manual, which is comfortably our volume seller. But don't worry, I'll point out all the various features and benefits across all 3 grades. Okay, so let's go outside where our test drive model is waiting. So before we get started, it's really important that we find a nice, comfortable driving position. And in Nissan Micra, that's very easy. The driver's seat has height adjustment, and the steering wheel also has height and reach adjustment. So I can play around with that until I find the most comfortable position for myself, and then we're ready to go. Once on the road, you'll become very accustomed to where all your controls are thanks to their ergonomic design. The steering wheel comes with switches that allows you to operate a number of functions while keeping your hands on the steering wheel. For instance, on the right-hand side, you have speed limiter and cruise control. The cruise control, which is standard from SV grade, allows you to set your speed with 2 clicks of a button, like so. This makes for a very comfortable journey, particularly when driving on motorways. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have your audio volume. You also have your skip forward and back buttons, allowing you to skip forward when you're listening to music. And you also have your directional buttons for your 5-inch drive assist display. This is a really great feature as it's front and center and displays pertinent information such as your speed, your fuel economy, tire pressure information and other safety information. Having automatic headlights is very handy also. These are available as standard across the range, and once you set them once, you never have to worry about them again. Set them to automatic and they will automatically turn on and off when the conditions outside are correct to do so. You never have to worry about fiddling with the stalks again while you're driving. So all of these controls means that I can keep my hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. Another great feature is the steering wheel itself. It's what's known as a D-shaped steering wheel, and it's actually inspired by Formula 1, and it gives a great sporty grip and feel, particularly when taking corners. Another feature that I really love is this sleek 7-inch infotainment display. So this displays clear and colourful information such as your Bluetooth, audio, weather and navigation, and it also allows you to hook up to your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This actually will mirror your phone display, and it allows you to choose between your favourite Spotify playlist, your favourite podcast, or keep up to date with any navigational routes you have preset. One of the other things that I love about Nissan Micra is that while it has quite a long wheelbase, you get all that great interior space and boot space, it actually has quite a compact turning circle. So what that means is Nissan Micra is very nimble, very easy to manoeuvre, and above all, very easy to park. Another great thing about being inside a Nissan Micra is these light roof trims and other trims throughout the cabin, and they create a really bright and airy feel while driving. In terms of air conditioning, you get manual aircon on the XE and SV grades, and it's very easy to use. You have the 3 dials underneath the infotainment display. On the left-hand side, you select which vent you want it to come from. In the middle, you select your strength, and on the right-hand side, you select the temperature. From the SV Premium grade, you then get auto aircon as standard. Okay, and that's the test drive done. I hope you found that useful. For more information, visit nissan.ie or alternatively contact your local Nissan dealer who'll be more than happy to help.